Hi everyone, this is Shamin, Chief Digital Marketing Officer at Sky Digital Agency. Today's video, I'm going to share with you how ChatGPT saves me time as a content creator. I think that I have been saving a lot in three ways. Number one, when I do my social media post ideas. Number two, how I can title my courses. So recently I like to use puns and I think they're quite good at it. I'm going to show you what I did. And I'm going to reenact that whole conversation I have with ChatGPT and how they do it. And I'm going to show you one thing that you should tell ChatGPT so that they will actually give you better responses. Third is, of course, when I need to update my course outlines and my course titles. So these are three ways I've been using ChatGPT, and I must say that it has saved me a lot of time. There are people who use ChatGPT differently, and I think that ChatGPT has a lot of ways to save you time. But I do still think that I will need to do a little bit of editing. So I wouldn't say that I can use 100% wholesale with the outlines. It's very good ideas, and some of the titles you probably can look at how you would like to do it. So let me share with you the first way which I use ChatGPT a little bit more often is when I want to find reasons or statistics. Okay, so for example, I just keyed this in and I said that share with me 8 reasons why designers should use Canva. Right. As a designer by training, I think I have benefited from Canva, and I've been sharing Canva since 2016 or 17. And I think that although Photoshop is a software that I know, I think it's great, but today I think about productivity, I think about templates, and I think about AI that can help us save time. This is one content that I was thinking of creating for as an infographic for my social media page. It's like a conversation. So if, let's say, for example, I would say that share with me 5 fun facts about Canva. Okay, so when you key it in, it will take them a little bit of time to process your command, your prompt. One thing I mentioned that you should tell ChatGPT is if you don't think the results was good, you should let them know. So for example, if you didn't think that it was great, you should respond accordingly. So they are coming out with the 5 fun facts, and these are content ideas very quickly. So I would say that ChatGPT has definitely changed the landscape, but there are certain things that you need to verify on your own. For example, statistics. Here they came up with 5 fun facts. Maybe I would say that not so interesting. Is there any more? They would actually try to find more reasons for you. I think the third point is quite good here. Canva has a $1 million hack fund that encourages its employees to come up with innovative ideas and projects to improve the platform. Employees can pitch their ideas to CEO for a chance to receive funding. So that's quite interesting. I never knew that. I would say that number 3 is definitely something a little bit more interesting. 2 and 3 is definitely interesting. Any other fun facts about Canva? And you give them time to respond to you as well. Not exactly super fun facts, but some people might find that these are interesting. So I think number 2 and number 3 are definitely points that I could use in my post. Let's say, for example, now I thought of improving my Canva workshop title, Unlocking Your Creativity. Okay, social media design with Canva. So let's say I would like something with puns. So I will copy this out and I will say that, could you give me some ideas for a Canva workshop title with puns? Let's see what their result is. Okay, the second one is good. Design like a pro castle with Canva. I like the puns title. So if you notice any puns in our course titles, it's from ChatGPT. I'm not great with puns like my friends are, so I think this is a great tool for me. I think the rest, I like idea 2. Do you have 5 more ideas for me? So then they would actually come up with more. So you need to let them know what you like and what you do not like. Canvalizing your brand. Canva, believe it. Okay, that's good. I'm not sure which one you like. I mean, let me know in the comments which one you like the most. I think I personally like number 2. Okay, design like a pro castle with Canva. If this is something that you think would help you, all right, you can look into it. So for example, let's say I want to use this, right? I would like to launch a course with the title. Okay, actually, I should say to share how learning to design will help. So this is how ChatGPT has helped me save time, be more productive in course outline, titling, I think even in ideation of contents. But that being said, whatever that has been shared with you in terms of tools, if you have attended any of my marketing workshops, I think those are still relevant. It's just like using ChatGPT to find this information, find statistics, find online resources, whether paid or free, to save time, to basically be more productive. So just imagine ChatGPT as like someone who is a friend, and they can basically have a conversation with you, and they try their best to find the information that they can. Okay, so you can even say like, don't use this following words, use the following words. You can tell them, and that's what we call prompts, ChatGPT prompts. Have fun using ChatGPT, have a conversation, use it to save you some time in your content creation. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments about ChatGPT. But this is a very simple conversation that I'm having. I'm not exactly using a lot of prompts here. What would really help you is when you learn how to use ChatGPT prompts to get you the results that you like. So you set the boundaries of the results as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video has been helpful, do drop a like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.